They said the eye eat before the mouth. And I think that's right, because if you see a nice dish, you can't wait to eat it. Have you ever tried the red beet in this way? If you don't, let's see together how we're gonna make the red beet with yogurt and tahini in a very special way, so easy and delicious. If you don't like the red beet, you're gonna like it in this recipe. And for the people who don't know what tahini is, it is mashed sesame. Let's see together how you're gonna make it. I'll start with adding the red beet in the mixer, and I'm going to mix them together for 3 or 4 minutes till the red beet is like this. I'm going to put them in the dish, and after that I'm going to add the yogurt. Now I'll add the tahini, the garlic, the salt, and I'm going to mix the ingredients together just like this. So easy. Look at this wonderful color that I have. It's not just beautiful, it's really yummy. Now I'm finished. If you like the recipe today, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can leave it in the comments. I'll be happy to answer it. I'll put the ingredients in the description box under the video. See you in another new video and a new recipe very soon. Until that time, I wish you to be good and happy. Bye bye.